Welcome to our How to Make Money Online series. Hi there. I am going to share with you how you can earn an income online using online surveys and market research. In this video, I will be covering the following details. 1. Provide an explanation on online surveys and market research. 2. Provide a list of reputable websites for online surveys. 3. Provide tips on how to maximize your earnings with online surveys. So let's jump into it. So, what is online surveys and market research, and how can you earn an income from doing this? Online surveys are questionnaires that target audiences can complete over the internet. Companies and organizations use these surveys to collect data and opinions from consumers to improve their products or services. Market research is a vital process that helps businesses understand their target market, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Online surveys are a popular method of conducting market research, as they are cost-effective and provide quick results. By participating in online surveys, you can earn money, gift cards, or other rewards. While this method may not generate substantial income, it can be an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. And now, on to the second topic. Reputable websites to complete online surveys. First up is Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers a variety of ways to earn points, including online surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. You can redeem points for gift cards or PayPal cash. You may also try out Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie connects users with market research surveys that match their demographics and interests. Users earn virtual points for completing surveys, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Another alternative is Vindale Research. Vindale Research offers cash rewards for completing surveys, as well as opportunities to earn through product testing and referral programs. You will also be able to try Pinecone Research. Pinecone Research is an exclusive survey panel that pays cash for completed surveys, typically $3 per survey. Users can also test products and participate in sweepstakes. Lastly, Prolific. Prolific connects researchers with survey participants and pays cash for completed surveys. The platform is known for its higher-paying surveys and fast payouts. So now the final topic, which is tips to maximize your earnings using online surveys. Here are 6 tips. Sign up for multiple survey websites. To increase your earning potential, sign up for several survey websites. This will give you access to a broader range of surveys and help you maximize your earnings. Complete your profile thoroughly. A well-filled profile helps survey websites match you with relevant surveys, increasing your chances of receiving and qualifying for more opportunities. Be honest and consistent. Answer surveys truthfully and consistently to maintain a good reputation, which can lead to more surveys and higher-paying opportunities. Prioritize higher-paying surveys. As you become familiar with different survey websites, learn which ones offer the best payouts and focus your efforts on those. Set aside time for surveys. Develop a routine for completing surveys, such as setting aside a specific time each day or week. This will help you stay consistent and make the most of your available survey opportunities. Refer friends and family. Many survey websites offer referral bonuses when you invite others to sign up. Sharing your referral links with friends and family can help you boost your earnings. If making money online is something you are interested in, then please like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online.